What's up guys, it's me Geek. So how to enable the screensaver on your EMUI 8 or Note 10? Go to the setting. Once you are at the setting, okay, go to display. Go to screensaver on. Now it's allow. Now you can click a picture source you want. I mean maybe something like, yeah, the screensaver after 5 minutes it will turn on. I mean 5 minutes duration. Yeah, after 5 minutes again I will advise you use a screensaver. Do not leave your phone on for like more than 5 minutes, because this is the AMOLED, it can get a burn in. So this is how you turn on the screensaver. It was me Geek. Subscribe and bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي